I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 28th day of May. We are getting set to cruise into a Memorial Day weekend. Let's take a look out the window this morning with some of the Skycam shots. Nice moon there over Tuscaloosa, as seen from the Skycam on top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Looking back to the northwest. Here's a look at downtown Fayette at 5 o'clock this morning. And Montgomery's Eastern Bypass down to the south. The sky's mostly clear statewide. There we go. Whopper of a trough out west on the west coast, ridging over the central part of the nation, and an upper low over the southeastern U.S. Not a particularly strong one, but the colder air aloft with that will set the stage for the opportunity of scattered showers and storms on a daily basis for a while. Here's a watch warning map this morning. Things are relatively quiet. Some wind advisories out west. A flash flood watch for parts of western Virginia. Convective outlook for today. We've got a slight risk of severe weather off to the east. That's in association with the upper low. The cold air aloft could bring some storms with hail and strong winds to parts of the Carolinas, eastern Tennessee, northeastern Georgia, and a slight risk up on the Canadian border for parts of Montana and North Dakota. Tomorrow, there are low-end severe weather probabilities for all of Alabama and the adjacent states. And again, that is for that upper low, meaning that some of the storms can produce hail and strong gusty winds, but nothing really enough to warrant the standard slight risk. The better probabilities are centered up across the northern plains. And on day 3, which is Sunday, a risk of severe weather from about Amarillo up to Wichita, Kansas. Look at that. The rain keeps coming up. Rain totals ramping up every time we look at this map. This is the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening at 7. And this is suggesting 2 inches of rain for the southeastern tip of the state down around Dothan and Eufaula, with amounts of about 1 inch up this way. And as we have often mentioned, the rainfall distribution in the summer is very uneven due to the scattered nature of showers and storms. So trying to create a smoothed-out map like that is pretty hard to do. We'll look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today. 588 bubble over the nation's heartland, where it's going to be pretty toasty today. Trough out west, and again, we've got this upper low meandering our way from the east. And down below that looks relatively dry, but again, like the past several days, inevitably we will see a few showers and storms popping up there today, but the most active one should be a little northeast of here. Now, tomorrow, look carefully at the wind barbs. You'll see this upper low really around Jackson, Mississippi. And down below that would put us in a favorable spot for developing showers and storms. It's not going to rain everywhere, but it will rain in a lot of places. It won't rain all day, but it will rain probably about 1 hour for most places tomorrow. So outdoor events like the SEC tournament, inevitably a rain delay is likely, but I think they'll get all the games in. Sunday, same deal. Pretty soupy air mass, cold air aloft, somewhat unsettled with scattered showers and storms around. And Memorial Day, same thing. So each day, tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday, we'll have to dodge a few showers and storms, and the storms in the afternoon during the peak of the daytime heating process could pack a punch with the possibility of some hail and strong winds. Tuesday, that moisture goes nowhere. Wednesday of next week looks like the upper low weakens and things thin out, and by Thursday, that looks relatively dry. That's Thursday, June 3rd. Friday, a week from today, there's our trough developing. You know, the GFS has been fairly consistent on this idea of a trough developing over the east, and down below that a surface boundary approaches and looks kind of soupy. And then the following day, which is Saturday, June the 6th, there's your trough. Not as strong as we have seen it on some runs, but it's clearly there over the east. And instead of getting the cool, dry air in here, it kind of hangs that front up with a chance of showers and storms on that Saturday. But again, this inevitably will change again as we get closer. June 12th is the last day of the forecast period here. Westerlies primarily north of us, but we're watching some cold air to the north. Look at the low thickness values coming in across the plain states. But as we all know, Alabama typically is a cold front graveyard this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.